Started getting funkiness trying to start. It would start, but just hesitating and acting a little funky. So that engine light came on. So first I had to take off all the plastic trim along the bottom to get the doghouse off. And the part, see this green cap? That line goes in here. This little thing right here. There's a plug, and then this comes off. And then I just gotta move the bracket and slide this up and out. And it kind of slides into this. It returns the excess gas vapors back to the engine to burn off. It's some kind of environmental thing. So I gotta try to get that off. It's not a big piece. Electrical plug goes here. There's a clip there, so I just gotta lift it and pull it off gently. There's a clip on that one, so I gotta squeeze and pull. And then this one just slides in. That'll slide in, goes on the clip, plug. But it's never that easy. That's the electrical plug right there. Stick that up and out of the way. All right, so I did get it off. This white tab right here, you actually just push down on it. So if you see that white right there, you just push down. And then you just gently pull it back, set it to the side, and then this plug goes right there. Okay, so we're gonna set that aside. Now the last spot is this right here. There's a clip. So I think I just gotta push on that. So I think there's a clip kind of like this way, and I just need to kind of push it that way and then slide that off. And I think it just slips off this back line. I think it just kind of pulls off. Okay, so I got it off. That's the old one. Okay, so all it was this on this side, on this model anyways, this is a 2013. Because I saw in another model where there was a little nut on this side where you had to loosen the nut to get it off, but it was an older model. So this model, it's just this right here. That little action right there releases it. So don't be rough with it. Slide this on first. You should hear like a click. Ready? Click. And then this slides onto the bracket here. I'm just gonna push. So I pushed in this little tab to slide it off. I'm just gonna kind of push it back out. I'm gonna pass me that little screwdriver.
The blue one.
Just gotta get behind it and just kind of push it back out. Right there. I don't know if you can see that. Just like that. See that? Okay. And then it should clip now. See?
There we go.
Now it's on. And then we'll plug the electricity, 12 volts back. Okay. And then same thing, the way this came off, just as a reminder, this white tab here, you push down on it, and that should just slide on. And we should be good. Hopefully that fixes my problem. The purge valve is right here, and then it runs and goes into there. Right down into there. Got the keys. Started without hesitation. I gotta read the instructions, but I think I step on my gas pedal 3 times. There's some sort of sequence to get the check engine light off, or I'll just run to the auto parts store and clear it with the computer. When I was starting it before, it was like, you know, but at the end of, when I was running it hot and stopped at a store and turned off the van and turned it back on, it didn't really hesitate to start. So I'm not 100% sure. It was a $31 part. That's what the error code says. We'll see.